Introducing Sunco's 6-inch disc nightlight installation guide. To toggle nightlight mode, simply flip the switch from on to off to on. There are a total of 3 ways to install it, including can and canless installation. Method 1. J-box plus wire nuts. Carefully connect wires with included set of wire nuts. Hide the wires inside of the J-box and tighten the screws to secure the light onto a ceiling. Method 2. Attach and adjust included spring clips to fit 5 inches or 6 inches can. Attach TP24 to light's wires and then connect it to a can. Select desired color temperature on the back of a light. Squeeze spring clips and insert them into a can. With both clips connected to a can, simply push the light into place. Method 3. Attach light's cables to a E26 adapter. Screw a E26 into a recessed can. Insert spring clips into a can and push the light in place. With our industry-leading warranties and knowledgeable support specialists that are based in the USA, you can trust that you are in good hands. Sunco. Lighting made better.